Think you know the Chime app? Here's everything you wish you knew sooner. Hey, I'm Edgar, a Chime member since 2020, and welcome to Chime Guides. In this video, you'll learn how to set up the Chime app, use features like Pay Anyone and mobile check deposit, and keep your money more secure with real-time alerts and card controls. Plus, stick around to see how to unlock even more with Chime Plus. All right, let's get into it. Once you download the app, open it up and take it all in, starting with that fine-looking home screen. Your Chime home screen puts everything that matters, your balance, spending, and shortcuts to pay or transfer right where you need them. See your account balances at a glance, plus your card details whenever you need them. Pay bills right in the app. Set up a payee once, then tap to pay on time. New card? Activate it instantly, right in the app. Need to move money? Just transfer to any linked external accounts in only a few taps. Got a paper check? Make sure the name on the check matches your Chime account, then use mobile check deposit to snap photos of the front and back and submit. Just remember to sign the back first. Split dinner, pay a friend, or send money instantly, securely, and fee-free with Pay Anyone. All you need is their phone number or email. They don't even have to have a Pay Anyone or a Chime account to receive the money. It's that easy. Need cash? Use the ATM map to find thousands of fee-free ATMs near you. Misplaced your wallet? Freeze your card with one tap. Found it? Tap again to unfreeze. Turn on push notifications to stay on top of your spending with real-time transaction alerts and easy category views. All these tools are here to help keep you in control, and that's great for your financial progress. Sign in the modern way with Passkey, fast and secure, without typing out passwords. Turn on email verification and two-factor authentication for extra protection when you make changes. Questions at 2 a.m.? Live agents are here for you 24/7 right in the app. Unlock Chime Plus for free when you set up and receive a qualifying direct deposit. With Chime Plus, you can get paid up to 2 days early, earn a higher APY percentage on your savings, and get cashback rewards and more. From login to alerts, everything's built to keep things simple, secure, and in your control. That's your quick tour of the #1 most loved banking app. Download Chime, log in, and try these features today. And check out more Chime guides for deep dives on everything we just covered.